What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in to Stock Essentials. If you are new here, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and we make daily videos on stocks options, on the best stocks in the market, the hottest stocks. So today we're going to be going over AMC, and a lot of people are anticipating this. The gamma squeeze is likely going to happen next week. A lot of the call options, the $40 strike specifically, tons and tons of contracts were exercised at the $40 strike. This is very good news. It's likely going to cause a gamma squeeze next week, and we can see AMC potentially flying to the moon. So we're going to be going over the best options that you should consider buying if you want to purchase a lottery ticket and get rich quick. So let's head over to the options chain. And of course, we're going to be doing a weekly. We're anticipating the squeeze going to happen this week. So we're going to do the June 18th expiration date. And we're going to go all the way to the top, to the $140 strike calls. Now, this is going to be pretty risky, but the good news is it's going to be pretty cheap. As you can see here, it's only going to cost you maybe $100, $200 of premium. And the good news is a lot of people are buying this $145 strike calls. So people are anticipating a huge move with this stock in the upcoming weeks. Potentially as high as GameStop was during the squeeze in late January, early February. So a lot of people have their eyes on this specific strike price of $145, which is pretty far out of the money. And of course, if AMC doesn't really make a huge increase in price, you're going to lose a lot on your contracts. But of course, as we mentioned earlier, this is going to be a lottery ticket, and it's going to be the fastest way to make a lot of money if AMC does squeeze. We're talking about hundreds, thousands, potentially a percent return if AMC absolutely skyrockets. So these calls are very cheap right now, so you want to get in pretty quick, and don't put in any money that you're not willing to risk losing, because of course you have a high probability of losing your money. But if you do hit that lottery winner, you're going to see 1,000% returns. I made a video about this, the best lottery tickets to buy, a few weeks ago when AMC was around $15, $25, and then we saw a 1,000%, a 1,400% return on those contracts. So people who ended up buying the lottery tickets, they made a lot of money. So we're doing the same type of video here. You could potentially make thousands of percents of return if AMC skyrockets. But of course, if AMC stays flat or just slightly increases, you're going to be losing a bit of money on your contracts. So don't put too much money into this. But the risk reward is definitely there. And if you like gambling, this is going to be your main gambler. Tons of open interest are on this 145. As you can see, almost 42,000 open interest, volume just under 35,000. And of course, implied volatility is very high. People are anticipating a huge move with AMC stock, and there's good reason to. We're anticipating the gamma squeeze because it closed over $40 last Friday. But that's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way making contract suggestions, I may be purchasing some of these contracts, but my favorite strategy is, of course, the cash secure put method, which I probably will be selling when the market opens on Monday. Comment down below if you want to see some safer AMC options strategies. And of course, subscribe if you're new here to the channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.